In focus, we are having Paytm, and the Q3 numbers have come in overall strong. And the important thing to watch out for is that they have achieved their profitability guidance 3 quarters ahead. Now, this was earlier estimated to come in around September, but now the company has reported its first ever cash flow positive EBITDA numbers after adjusting the ESOP cost, coming in at almost 31 crore rupees. Now, looking at the revenue numbers, that also went up almost 42%, but the brokerages have stated that the expected growth was slower, especially because of the impact seen in the payments business, but it was offset, however, if we talk about the ticketing revenues. Now, apart from this, the net losses also narrowed down, coming in from 791 crores last year to almost the losses coming in at almost 392 crore rupees. Now, the operational numbers are also strong, with the gross merchandise value as well as the average monthly transacting users also going up the 30% mark. But looking at what the brokerages are stating, that is something very important. Goldman Sachs, of course, do remember the stock itself is in the conviction list of the brokerage house, and they have actually increased the target price by reiterating their buy rating from 1120 rupees to 1150 rupees. Over the next 2 years itself, they're expecting the revenue to jump 25% on a CAGR basis, while the margins are expected to touch double digit by FY25. So this is some important numbers coming in from Goldman Sachs, and they have still stated that the risk reward ratio in current market price still remains favorable. But now let's look at the main question: what are the main triggers going ahead for Paytm? Now, of course, the first portion being the resolution of Paytm Payments Bank, and especially on its onboarding issue, because there is a ban already placed on it by RBI. So that would be something very important development to watch out for. Apart from that, there is also payment aggregator authorization going ahead, and how the payment charges would be diversified and impacted by the company. And lastly, of course, the path to the profitability as we go ahead.